Hey guy, how you doing?
Good, man.
You alright?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, everything's been working down up here? What you doing? Roofing?
No.
Fixing up the
Skylight.
yeah? How you doing? Yeah, exactly. How you doing? Alright. I'm just filming y'all so I can learn how to do it later, you know? For myself. How you like that? Yeah? A little harder, man. Not like a girl. You're hitting like a girl, bro. You're like a man. Put some man force in it, man. This guy fucking three-banded. What's the matter? Now you're not laughing. Y'all were laughing earlier. Ya no se están riendo, ¿eh? Ahora no es funny, ¿verdad? Mama huevos. Cocksuckers. Punk ass bitches. I got y'all on film. I'm gonna make y'all famous. Yo lo voy a hacer famoso a ustedes, no se apure. Vas a ver. Vas a ver. No, tú nada más no. Cuando yo digo famoso es para mucha gente. Ya tú sabes. Imagínate. I'll just let him know. He's asking me, but look, I got my friends up in the sky too. Look. These dickheads, man. These punk ass bitches, man. This is all they got though. And they think they're gonna fuck with me, but it's not happening. Pardon me for cursing y'all. This is what it is. It's a red and white helicopter too. So these are what these guys are doing. Apparently we started like fixing this, roof thing, place it or what have you. And y'all know the rest because y'all saw the beginning of the video. So I just came up to, bust a little bit of balls and shit. You know what I'm saying? Let them know that I know what's going on and all that. Y'all heard the car beeping. Y'all already know the little signals that they do. But, I'm out here on my roof and filming these motherfuckers to show what they do. You see this guy got the urban camouflage hat. Alright. Your boy over here with the, I'm not saying that he is, but it's like a red burgundy type of color there. The other guy, really has no color code that I know of. Basically, this is what they do, sporadically come and do pop-up construction. That's what I call it, what I've heard other people call it. Yeah, you gotta make sure your boots are tied right, man. You don't want to fall down on the roof, man. It hurts when you fall, man. Gotta get used to this all day. Or actually, whenever I feel like filming y'all, I'll do it. I'll come up and sporadically fuck with y'all. For what I noticed, it's not so funny anymore. People aren't laughing, When they were doing that, they knew I was right there. They didn't expect me to pop up and start recording them, though. Because now everything is quiet. You know what I'm saying? Like with them, as far as them. They're not laughing. Because they were purposely doing that. You know what I mean? I'm not knocking anybody for doing their job. You know what I'm saying? Because I understand that, of course, But when it incorporates participation in the whole thing of them doing the harassment, with the audio harassment, noise campaign type shit, then that's where I come in. And I start documenting. You know what I mean? Look at the big boys. You got helicopters and all that coming out. Yesterday was drone day or airplane day. Actually both. And I didn't record. You know what I'm saying? Because I figured let it go, I'll get it another day. But they're definitely doing their thing when it comes down to that. You know what I'm saying? The air stalking. See, now they already know, you know what I'm saying, that I'm going to be doing that. So they're not doing the whole bullshit they were doing before. You know, this guy keeps looking back because he knows what I'm talking about. He understands fully well why I'm up here documenting this crap. You know what I'm saying? And it's not the fact that they're working, because obviously that's not what I'm referring to, but it's the purposeful noise campaign. Earlier, when I was inside the interior of the roof before coming in, y'all heard the laughing. They were banging and shit like that, right? Then when the dude opened the door, he didn't expect me to pop up with the camera and film it. You know what I'm saying? And then I started filming them all. And, you know, as you already heard and have been seeing the footage, what I've been, you know, doing. So this is what it is, man. This is what you got to do to these people, man. Just to let them know that you're going to also be documenting them when they do crap like that. You know what I'm saying? Again, has nothing to do with people working. Has nothing to do with that. Has to do with the purposeful noise campaign that these people do. They're instructed to do that by their handlers or what have you. And the reason how I know and I figure that it was purposefully done, because I'm right there. I don't know if y'all heard it or if the mic picked it up on the phone, but you know, you hear them laughing when they were banging because they knew I was right there. You know what I'm saying? As a TI, y'all know how that goes. You know what I'm saying? They know wherever you are, at whatever point you are, because they get notifications on their cell phones or what have you. This day and age, that's where it comes down to. So basically, you know, that's what it is, man. You know? All right, y'all. This is gonna be a long one, so I'm gonna try to shorten it down. It's about 8 minutes going on, 8 minutes or so. And just wanted to let y'all know what the deal is. All right, RTTI New York City.